Have you guys ever delivered a order this big? Nice. So we get the award for the biggest order ever, huh? Yeah. Nice. Oh, you guys, we finally got the Intelligent Ag wireless blockage systems coming in. We have pre-ordered so many systems for spring, and there's been so many delays, but they're finally here. We got at least 50 customers waiting to get their systems, and we don't have much time to get them out to them. This is the start of it, and it's gonna just keep on coming for the next couple days. Let's go see what they're doing. All right, well, that's the last one of this particular delivery, but there's gonna be two more, you figure? Yeah. Okay. All right, thanks guys, see you next round. Thanks, John. Well, the reality is we actually don't need to store this very long because all these systems are already sold, so they're gonna be flying out as fast as we can put them together. Here we got all the ECUs, bunch of sensors. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's a good day. It's a good day. Let's go see where we're gonna store these things. At least the ones that aren't being shipped out right away. Hey guys. How's it going? Good. How's it going for you? This is really cool, guys. This represents something that we've had in the works for over 4 months now. Something that we planned ahead back before Thanksgiving of last year, where we knew that there's gonna be some shortages. And so we planned ahead and we talked to Intelligent Ag and said, hey, what's it gonna take to make sure we have these on our shelf and we can ship to our customers for springtime? We came up with a plan, and this is the start of that plan coming to fruition. Now we're gonna have more coming in throughout the next couple days and weeks. We've actually got a total of 150 systems on order. That's a good thing because I think we're gonna go through a lot of them before spring is even out. So over here, we've got boxes and boxes of these wireless blockage sensors. And what's so unique and so good about these sensors is there's only a hose. It's just a rubber hose. There's no wires. This is an acoustic sensor, just like you would see if you went to the doctor and had them put a stethoscope on your chest so they could hear your heart. That's the technology behind this system, as well as those ECUs transmitting the signal to the cab, to an iPad, and all done wirelessly. That's the key to this system. A lot less wires. It's gonna work great. The best system on the market, hands down, no comparison. Just ask someone who's had it or who has it, and they will confirm that. Now there's also other great things such as the flow monitoring. This thing will actually monitor flow coming through your cart to your towers. What that means is if one of those runs or one of those tanks has issues or runs out, it's gonna catch it. That mass flow number is gonna change. It's gonna come down. Tons of guys have issues when one tank either runs out of product, for some reason stops metering, stops seeding, stops fertilizer product coming out, and that is a big problem. You need to be seeding all of that product, and you need to be seeding the right amount of it. This is an exciting thing, guys. We have these systems in stock. We are going to be the only dealer this spring who has them in stock. So if you haven't ordered 2 months ago, guess what? You still have hope and a chance to get these if you call Ready. 4 great reasons to get these from Ready: free iPad, free shipping, the best support out there, and we have the 10-year sensor warranty that no one else is offering. Because we bought all these systems last year, you get to benefit from that 10-year sensor warranty as well by buying from Ready. So if you want to know what is going on with your air seeder during the most important pass of the year, give us a call. We are all about helping farmers keep on farming.